try to get some hummingbirds when I sit in my rocking chair. It's about to rain. Cabo doesn't like the thunder. Cabo. Cabo. Hey, baby. I know. Scary, huh? Come on, hummingbird. It's okay. There he is. It's okay. Oh. Who scared me? What? What do you hear? Tell him. Tell him. What? Is that the thunder? Is it the thunder? Good boy. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Good, because you know what needs it? My garden. But hummingbirds. I love hummingbirds. They're so cute. Here goes Cabo. Bye, Cabo. He's gonna go get that thunder. Arr, arr. Cabo! He says no. I said no, Mama. Yay for my garden, it's gonna rain. Here's the donkey. The neighbors, I think, got a cow today. That cow is not happy. There's Cabo. He's barking at the thunder. Let's see where Nananut is. Nananut, Nananut, ooh, ooh. She doesn't want to be outside today. The door is open. The door is open. Savannah, I love you. Even though you're a bully. Yep, I love you.